Obviously rains are maddening, you won't believe. You see that scaffolds, सारे bamboos इस पूरी building पे लगे हैं. You can see that for painting. पूरा इस side का वो देखो पूरा गिर गया है, सब लोग जमा है नीचे, 2 गाड़ी भी है उधर. I promised in my last vlog that I'll not give this shot near the window that is it raining or not, because it was becoming like a meme. Someone commented that also it should be a meme now that every time I check, but unfortunately this has happened. And yes, I have puffy eyes thanks to my new laptop. Oh my god, Premiere Pro is so professional. But ये bamboos गिरने का scene इतना deadly था, the way it crashed. I don't know if you guys heard that noise, and this is the new healthy chocolate which I'm having, and it's yum. Yes, so finally the utensils are done, brooming, mopping, everything done. Even washing clothes is complete, except I need to hang this shirt which is pending. The rest, everything is done. So I just got off a call from KTM Chembur, and he said your bike is ready, and he clearly told me that even Chembur it's raining a lot. I was not supposed to talk about rains, but can't help it, and I'm sorry. I'm hanging my waterproof pants here. ये मैंने अभी धोया है and कल इसको वापस पहनना है. So basically it's gonna get dirty again. I should have washed it after 2 or 3 uses. That's my mistake. Thinking कि मुंबई की बारिश बंद हो चुकी है. And I do have waterproof gloves by Rida. Yeah, so these are waterproof gloves by Rida. I do have them, but you know what? When they get a bit wet, you feel very icky. Guys, honestly, the way the bamboos are falling, good. Those people came. I'll show you guys. They are now picking up all the bamboos, and इधर भी है. If you clearly see. One good news, the Premiere Pro is installed 2020, the latest one, and I'm like so happy about it. And boss, if Premiere Pro opens so quickly, imagine how the software will run. Premiere Pro is really a professional software. I can sense that. It has so many things. It's quite a complex model. The basic arraying and everything is same as FCP, but when it comes to, you know, proper timeline, everything, they have different screens for everything, from audio to screening to everything, which I'm really enjoying. They have a different source feed, so it's quite a complex model, but once I master it, I think I can do some good vlogs for you guys. Editing will be lit. The camera quality also has to bump up, so support me so I can buy a new camera, nothing else. So all the workers were checking that what is this guy recording, man, what's going on? This is what happens around my building. Any which ways, the most important thing which we should do now is, I know the touring seats by Sahara Seats is very comfortable, but barish hai, so I need to put my waterproof seat on the Interceptor. So abhi niche chalte hain. And yeah, my GoPro was completely charged today. So because my workout is literally shut, I use stairs nowadays, even while climbing up, not only while going down. You'll see this. Yeah, this seat is very comfortable, and I would have loved to use this. And guess what? You see this? सारा सीट्स आप देख रहे हैं, बिल्ली के अटैक स्टार्ट हो गए. या देयर इज़ अ वाइल्ड कैट हियर, एंड ये होना ही था, देख सकते हो. So even when I had the stock seat, this was black. Now I'm using brown, so it's turning brown. And I have done ceramic on it, but even when we were doing ceramic, this mark was there. So this is quite sad. So one advice, when you get your brand new motorcycle, make sure you put some nice 3M tape, translucent tape, or anything which you prefer to protect it. Okay, so now we have our waterproof seat on it. People who have not seen the video, check it out. I've done it long back. Or let's take this home. Oh wait. Stock seat, but with waterproof cover now. Cat fur all around my motorcycle. That means my cat is gonna scratch this one. I badly need a body cover because I don't want this situation. And now that we are down, why not hear the nice symphony? By the way, these rubber grips are really cool. Not sponsored, but I'm just sharing that with you guys. they are really nice. Feels really good riding this bike. Now let's fire it up. So let's quickly chat about the wobble issue. Yesterday's video you saw that I got the bike and it was more of a feel, and I must say cone setting is so smooth. In fact, I have realized that when I bought the bike it was stiffer, you know, and according to them the wobble might not come, but they are very cool about it. They are like, you ride this. I did ride yesterday, and what you saw in yesterday's vlog is all about that I received this motorcycle. After that it started raining. My plan was actually to go till Chembur on this bike, obviously pick the KTM 390 Adventure, keep it with me for 3 days and test this bike also. So we were planning couple of videos around it, and unfortunately rains. I keep saying rains. In fact, any vlogger who's facing this in Mumbai will be saying rains, because it is now quite a lot, never-ending rains of Mumbai. So anyways, coming back to this topic, according to me the alignment is fine. I could not sense any wobble till 70 or 80, which I have done in the city. However, I will do a proper test, you know, with the GoPro on to see how it actually feels. So on serious note, this used to be a little stiff. They have freed that bearing pretty well. I think they must have greased it or done some kind of setting. They lubed my chain pretty well because they washed it. I had already lubed it and my lube was over. So tomorrow I am riding this beast. Yes, I am taking it on the highway. I will be testing it that time, and I'll check the wobble test. It will be all on GoPro, hopefully. If there is no audio, then I'll actually kind of let you guys know what happened. Sorry I could not travel anywhere. That was the initial plan, but I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for many more. Raj from Rad Moto.